Okay, good afternoon, everyone. This is Vivek Nivane from ENTC department. I welcome all distinguished delegates, participants, and partakers. It is a glorious moment to extend my warm wishes on behalf of the Department of ENTC Engineering at Srimati Kashibai Naule College of Engineering, Pune. I want to convey my heartfelt gratitude to the Principal Dr. A. V. Deshpande sir, Vice Principal Dr. K. R. Borole sir, Industry Institute Interaction Coordinator Dr. Snehal Jagtap ma'am for bringing up an opportunity to the students to free up their desires through startups, R&D, and entrepreneurship. We all have assembled here today to motivate and cherish the young minds. Apart from it, this is a great occasion to welcome our chief guest of today. On behalf of the Sinhagad Institute, I welcome our chief guest, Dr. Vijayji Salvia. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon to all of you.
He is working
Good
towards
afternoon, sir.
connecting, yes, he is working towards connecting young minds to strive towards success and achievement. We are grateful to him for accepting our invitation and becoming a chief guest of today's event. Dr. Vijayji Kumar Salvia is the President Advisor of International R&D Creativity Organization USA Indore. He is working with Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Government of India. He is also the member and assessor of NSDC and skill development programs like Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana and Entrepreneurship Department Government of India. He is also member of DIPP Startup Hub India. He is awarded as Legend of Startup Innovation and Skill Development. At present, he is promoting the sustainable development, management, entrepreneurship in different universities and institutes all over the India. He is expert professional of entrepreneurship and business incubation development for all technical, non-technical, rural, traditional, cultural fields. He is also awarded as Tycoon of Technology and Business Mentor. He was DGM for IMM and technical production regarding telecom 2G, 3G with Alcatel Lucent vendors. He has 22 years of professional and social experience. At present, he mentors for startups, innovation, and R&D in leading engineering institutes. He was also the advisor pro vice chancellor for entrepreneurship and research in leading private universities of India. He has also served the mentor guide for about 1000 company and startups of many groups since last 11 years. Every year 1600 candidates taking mentorship, and Dr. Vijay is working for 22 years in this field. He also defines very prestigious chairs in different organizations. Dr. Vijay Salvia has undertaken various projects. One to mention contains 2000 crore rupees project in BSNL, Alcatel and ITR Limited, which is part of Government of India, and other joint venture industries. He has been awarded with various international awards like from Silicon Valley, California, US, Indo-China Forum, Indo-American Research Forum, MHRD, World Peace Association USA. He is also the technical technology transfer expert for different journals and institutions. I have told a very little about our eminent guest. There are a lot of more angles to his personality. Few to mention are his work, his philosophy, methodology, and interest in spirituality. We are so honored to have him as the chief guest for the afternoon. I am certain that everyone present here are also moved and assuredly want their aspiration to come true. Now I will halt my words and start with the program for the day, which includes some astounding food for the thoughts. I guarantee your next few hours will be delightful and memorable. Thank you for being patient audience and hearing my words. I now hereby request Dr. Vijayji to take over the ignited minds here. Enjoy the day.
Thank you. Good afternoon to all of you.
Good
I
afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
I welcome all of you to join for the future of the world and also for the future of India with respect to our engineering qualities and our capabilities and whatever our future vision with respect to Atmanirbhar Bharat. We all engineers, we all technical and non-technical person gathered here for the good wisdom and also for the good for the society. So I thank you all the management of the Singhat management, IIIC, SK and COE Pune. I also thanks to the principal Dr. A.V. Deshpande ji, Dr. K.R. Boroli ji, that is the vice principal, and also thanks to Dr. S.K. Japtak madam, III cell coordinator, HOD Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering. And thanks to all the viewers and listeners who are gathered here for the development of the society and to take some initiative with respect to the research, development, innovations, startup, entrepreneurship. What is this actually? It is, we should not afraid about it. We should enjoy it. Sometimes people says R&D, oh, it is very difficult, it is very fearful, and we can't do it. But nowadays, this R&D is converted into the creativity. It is converted into your hobbies. It is converted into your enjoyment. The ISTED and also our Indian scientists takes such type of research and development not for the career. They have taken and they have initiated such activities only for their creativity. Whatever the creativity and qualities they have, they convert into the knowledge. They have converted it into the money. They have converted it to the future only for the society. So before 500 years, we take, if we see what was the knowledge, what was the engineering, and that was actually based on the natural process. It was not the, we can say, the pressurized system. It was not the, we can say, the controllable system. It was controlled only by inner self, and that inner self is only controlled by your creativity if you have the good guidance and a good directions to develop your qualities and capabilities. So we should not fear about the R&D. It is just like a creativity. Creativity is only the intelligence, and intelligence is every person is the intelligent person. If you see by marks, so it's no meaning because the marks is only for some platform. It is only for your academic activity. But if you come into the fields of a practical life, your marks plus your creativity plus your basic knowledge and your enthusiasm, this force consists of your career. The marks is good. Marks is good is only for, that is true. That is to develop your vision according to the practical life. But if you doesn't have the creativity, if you doesn't have the enthusiasm, and if you doesn't have the vision, then your marks is zero. If you are the topper, and if you doesn't have these three, it means you are zero. So the hero is only that is due to your ambitions and also your vision. So what is this R&D? What are the career opportunities in this R&D? What is this R&D? So next slide, please. This research and development includes the activities that companies undertake to innovate and introduce new products and services. So it is often the first stage in the development process. Means this R&D in nowadays is the requirement. It is a demand and supply. It is the requirement of the market. What the market requires and how we can create opportunities with respect to the running market. So that if the market is running and if the opportunity exists, the customer taste according to the customer taste and according to the demand of the anything which we are using from morning to night. That requires the development. And if you have the we can say the new concept, the new methods, and also some modification in the running process, then it will be converted to the research. What is this research? Research is the purposeful work. The purposeful work and a scientific work. The scientific in the sense we should have the we can say the tools and techniques for the methodology, for the calculations, for the data specifications. Then it is called the scientific work. If we say I am going to Pune, it is the non-scientific statement. But if we say I will go to I will go to Pune on the Sunday, or from this time to this time by the train and a flight, and it takes such time, and I will spend such money, then it is the scientific. Then it is called the, we can say, the research to going to Pune. So whatever, and also it should affect the society. Why you are going to Pune? So if you say this, I am going to Pune for some purposeful work, then it is the scientific. It is the research. It is the research statement. So this research and development is to innovate and to introduce the new product. But always new product is in the research. If there are some modifications, and also according to the demand, if you are seeing in the COVID-19, lot of opportunities are coming, lot of development, lot of career, lot of, we can say, the methods to earn the money are now going on. But most of the people say after COVID, what is the job? What will be the new concept? What will be the earning method? What should be the money? They are fear about that. But if you see, if the some person has the creativity, then it means they are earning so much amounts in a billions they were earned. So it is depends on you. You want if you see you are around about 5 kilometers to 10 kilometers, if you see the demands, then you have the lot of opportunities. And similarly, what is this business? If we come to every R&D, innovations, startup, entrepreneurship, our topic is career opportunities for the R&D, career opportunities for the innovations, for the startup, and then entrepreneurship. Also, job is there, but job after 5 years, you should have the capability to become the entrepreneur. Every private companies, or in government also, the government only they are making such policies if the employees not having the, we can say, the entrepreneur quality, not if they have not a keen observation and not a keen interest in a company to serve as that it is my company, then they pull up. Similarly, the government is also making such policies. If they doesn't have such type of qualities, then we should stop their career. We should stop their services. If you see in some PSU, such type of we can say the compulsory retirement, and we can say the provisional retirement, and all such type of activities are going on. So all private all government organization is now converted into a private type, public sector, profit and loss. So every employee should have such type of quality. Then only that type of company or that type of organization, either government or private, can run and can exist forever. They are sustainable. Today in United Nations, in international affairs, we are talking about sustainable development goal. So the development should be sustained. Our opportunities, our careers should be sustained. It should not be it should not be break by any pandemic. It should not be break by any natural hazards. Like in COVID-19, some are now destroyed. Most of the economies are destroyed. Why? Because they were not sustainable. That's why our research, our innovations, our creativity, it should be sustainable, and it should be according to our local area, locality. So what is this startup? Startup is just a primary work. Whatever the primary work you are doing, this is called a startup. And if that is startup, if your primary, we can say a temporary work is going on, and if you convert into after some time into a permanent, then it is called a business. And if the startup is running with whatever the resources available to you, and if it will be, and if you are success there, if you get the success there, then it is converted into a business. So we have started from the creativity, we have started from the hobbies, and we have also linked with the demand and supply, whatever demand and supply around to you. And if it has it requires some type of innovations or some modification, then it is called research and development, and then we convert it to startup, we convert it to earning money, and then business can be established. Next slide, please. What entrepreneurship requires? What should be the quality of any entrepreneurs? So the quality is only is not only the, we can say the quality can be developed. It is some of the person and some of the students thinking about that businessman is the, we can say, a God-made businessman, and they are by the birth. But we can't be a Bill Clinton, Bill Gates. We can't be the Dhirubhai Ambani or a Mukesh Ambani like that. But if you see, the entrepreneurs you can develop your entrepreneur quality by your vision, by your act, by your resources available around you. If you see all the by enlarging this slide, you will get all the qualities, like you must have the goal, you must have the athletic person, your attitude should be positive, you should be versatile to your confidence, you should be passionate, you should be congruent, and similarly you should have the purposeful building future, you should be thinking about your intelligence, you should take the challenges, your integrity and your resilience, your honesty, your growth, similarly your soft zone. So I will talk about the two qualities. The first will be the challenges and the soft zone. If you have the capability to take the challenges and the risk around you, and whatever the risk which is respect to your from your family, if most of the entrepreneurs not succeed because of the family, because of their family vision. Every family says to their person, to their children, that such a good government job or such a job of similarly like 50,000 or 1 lakh, then it's okay. But you know, but it's only exist. It was only exist before 5 years. It was this type of concept was successful only before 5 years. Nowadays, if you see to all the companies and all the, we can say, the scenario is only they require such type of entrepreneurial skills. So before 10 years, this type of vision, or we can say this type of word from a family was succeed. You just get a job of 50,000 or 80,000, then you will survive. But right now, after COVID, if we are seeing such type of persons who has this type of we can say the thinking, and also they are now pulled out by the company. Why? Because the company not survive. Company not survive is because the company has no vision with respect to their entrepreneurial skills of the employee. So in every, we can say, in academics, in teaching also, we must have such type of quality, because if we run the institute, if we run our department by a positive manner, then we will get the good revenue, we will get the good projects, we will get the good projects with respect to the development, and therefore our in our education system also we requires the research and development. We require such type of consultancies. We should have the collaboration with the multinational companies for the development of the students, for the development of the labs, and also to get the advanced knowledge, so that we all faculties, we all students must develop ourselves with respect to our vision and mission of the institute. Then we can get the success in our institute, and all students can get a good job there after a final year project. Because your minor projects, your final year projects, and your internship, it should be lined up in such a manner that you should get the knowledge in a successive manner. If your minor you must if you have such type of thinking, I have to develop a drone. After if the first year student think about that, today is the drone and all robotics and all type of signal communication 5G technologies are going on. Or similarly is civil students, if say there are automations in the we can say the homes, every person's like the automation in their homes, the just like a 5-star hotels facility. If we open the door, then all facilities should be come out only by pushing a one button. Similarly, in mechanical, all the vehicles are becoming solar and all electric vehicles and all such luxurious facility. And similarly, in type of chemical technology, if we say the chemical engineers, every if you see in every field, it requires a such type of we can say the development with respect to their sensing technology, with respect to the we can say the environmental nature, our biology, all are now interdisciplinary. So for every branches, if I am saying, so every branch should have such type of the thinking, such type of we can say the vision to develop what should be my future after 4 years. If I am in first year, what should be future after my 3 years? If I am in second year, if in third year, what should be by the first in 1 year, and in final year, it means I am just we can say at the bank of the river. I am at the bank of the future. To which ship I have to I have to adopt which ship. So you have to maintain your our curricular. Similarly, our department should maintain such type of curricular that the minor project should be linked to the major project, and major project should be linked to the internship, and then they will get such type of projects to the collaboration of the multinational company. Then they will get the good jobs according to their capability, according to the skill development. And then the word comes skill development. Then you will get the skill there. You will get the skills in such type of particular projects, in such type of particular fields, and then you will get the good job. And you have the if such type of entrepreneurial skill key. If I have developed some such type of research project, I have developed such type of major projects, and this is the new modification there. And if such type of companies get the knowledge from you, and also if they see yes, he has such qualities and he can act such like an entrepreneur, they will adopt you, and they will give you the fund for the projects also. They will give you the fund for your business also, and similarly they will adopt you as a businessman plus as an employee of the company. Next slide, please. What should be the characteristic? That again comes the personal characteristics and the skills needed for the success. The two things which I have to we can say the describe that characteristics, and next will be next slide, please. This, if you see the total scenario out of your college, out of your we can say in a practical life, the skill must require, and that skill should requires the two. I have to say the first is the soft zone. We have to break our soft zone, and second the challenges. If you have the skill and if you are ready to take a challenges in all sense, with respect to your family, with respect to your whatever the situations as critical situations, circumstances around you, if you take all challenges with you, it means that you can do anything. And if every company want such type of challenging person, yes, in any case if you are if you are able to survive, if you are able to work in a difficult situation, then what should be the future of the company? So you must have these two skills, the challenges, and also the next will be this soft zone. You have to break your soft zone. Soft zone in the sense, okay, I want only 20,000 rupees job or 50,000 or 1 lakh. After it, no problem and all this. But see, after 5 years, it will destroy your all capabilities. It will destroy your all skills. So you must have this. You must break your soft zone, and you have to put yourself at the square of any road. आपको अपने आप को एक चौराहे पे खड़े होकर रखना पड़ेगा, just like a person who is selling a banana, who is selling whatever the t-shirt, whatever the specs there. एक उस तरीके का soft zone in IIM also, if you know, there are a good B schools and also a business schools and management schools. They are giving such type of training. You go to the market heart अगर आप लोग जानते हो तो you go to the heart and sell whatever the interest you have. एक अगर आप IT के हैं तो आप एक you just sell one pen drive, एक पेन ड्राइव बेच के बताओ. अगर आप कॉटन इंडस्ट्री में जाना चाहते तो एक टी शर्ट बेच के बताओ. इस तरीके की आप में एक सॉफ्ट जोन को तोड़ने की सबसे बड़ी कैपेबिलिटी होना चाहिए कि आप you must to be, if you stand in a public, then you should present yourself, yes, I have this capability and my product is good product, my knowledge is good knowledge, and this knowledge is verified, this knowledge is scientific, this knowledge is research based, this knowledge is innovative based. Then you can beat such type of whatever the companies you are seeing in your screen. These are the companies. These are not only the companies in the world. There are, we can say, 1 lakh times, the billions times of the companies are coming, exist in the in this universe, and they are working. And you need such type of career guidance. You need the assistance from the placement cell also to develop such type of capability. And then you will get the good job with your skills, with your challenging qualities, with your breaking the hard zone. Next slide, please. So some type of, I am putting the some characteristic like persistent, your vision, your creativity, your responsibility, your inquisitiveness. Next. You should be goal oriented. You should work independent. You should be self-confident. You should be risk taker. Always you must be risk taker. And these all capabilities will be required in job also, and also for entrepreneur also. You always remember after 5 years you must have the entrepreneur skill. Next, please. You must have the good communication skill. Whatever the you want to say, whatever you want to deliver, you must have the good communication skill. You must have the good human relations always. You must have the math skill, always logical, be logical always. Why this, what is this data, why this, where it will be applicable, to whom it will be applicable, what should be the profit, what should be the loss. Problem solving and decision making skill you must have. Technical skills you must have, that is the basic criteria. You must have the basic business skills. Every person knows the basic business skills. If you are a student, if you are you know this is good, this is bad, this is fit for me, this is suit for me. It is called the suitability skill, and this is also comes in the vendor management also. Integrated material management, technical suitability, financial suitability. You know that if you go to the market, you have some type, you have all vision. I have to purchase this t-shirt, I have to purchase such type of boot, I have to purchase such type of perfume, such foods. And not only you doesn't have the vision that I have to purchase all the market. You have the specific, what is according to your needs. So such and also you bargain according to that. If it is 1,000, so please discount it and all this. These are the basic business skills, and these basic skills all person have this skill. So don't afraid or fear about that. I am not a management person. You by birth you have such type of business skills. Next, please. These are the some quotations and some of the, we can say, the successful person who has taken their future, who has taken their career as a businessman, as a, we can say, the entrepreneur. Bill Gates is a very successful entrepreneur. He failed in some subject in exam, and most of the friends passed, and now they are the good engineer in his company, and he was failed and pulled out by the college, and now he has become the billionaire. So this means I'm not taking as a negative. I'm taking like a positive, that ki every person can't be success in an entrepreneur, but if and every person can't success in their technical fields, but if you have the qualities in whatever working area, you go through it by managing all the we can say circumstances according to you, and continuously if you work, then you will get the success. Similarly, there are Abraham Lincoln. If you see the Abdul Kalam, the very poorest person, he was the very poorest in the childhood, but after it, you see the, you know, whatever the total history and the total scenario, total career of the Abdul Kalam ji. Similarly, if you see the Indra Nooyi and all, Sachin Tendulkar and this PT Usha, this all are they only success only by some determinations. By only determinations, they got the success and they become the good person. Similarly, Dhirubhai Ambani and all, if you see Abraham Lincoln, you all know what is the history behind it. So the question arises, how we can get the success, how we can create the opportunities, and what type of facilities available us. Next slide, please. So we have the National Skill Development Corporations, we have the Science and Technology Department, we have the Startup India program, we have the Make in India program, we have the Skill India program, we have the Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana program, we have the DDU GKY, Deen Dayal Upadhyay Yojana, we have this Industrial Training Institute, ITI also, we have the AICT skill development process, we have UDAN, and we have the different UGC, Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion methods and techniques. Similarly, at present also, before 2 days, our finance minister launched the Atmanirbhar Bharat Yojana. That is also for the for students also. That is, if you have whatever, you can get the loan of 1 lakh for this, and that will be up to 2025. You have to you can take it and you can work according to your qualities. So why how we can use such resources, and you can use such resources by master mentor. You need a master mentor for it. You need a experienced person to guide yourself, your teacher, your dearest person, your college, your head of the department, your faculties. If they similarly the entrepreneur cell, your placement cell, your management, all this is the, we can say, a collaborative method. So all should work in such type of activity, in such type of mission, and they can get the vision according to the demand of the this market, and whatever the resources you have, you must use according to that. Next slide, please. Entrepreneurship and the entrepreneur process. Why, how we should go? These all resources we have, all resource, all skills if we have, and all the persons if they are we can say the helping ourselves, then how to move the entrepreneurship and entrepreneur process? Only we can move by, first we have to understand. Next slide, please. Entrepreneurship is only the process of starting and running one's own business, and entrepreneur should have the capability, should have entrepreneur is an individual who undertakes the risk associated with creating, organizing, and owning a business. Means, if you have the risk capability, which I have, again I am repeating, you must have the creating, you must have the creative, you must have the organizing, a systematic organize your resources, and take such type of process that it is my business, owning a business, owning your job. It is my job, it is my company, it is my institution. Then, and we have to work like a CEO of this institution. We have to work like a MD of this institution. Then this such type of skills, if you have such type of entrepreneurial skill you have, then you will come into the entrepreneurship and you will become a good businessman with your job. So the process of starting and running one's own business, this involves a considerable amount of risk. So collaborative work, collaborative risk always involved in it, and every person should be ready for that. Next slide, please. 5 steps. This requires the 5 steps of a process. The first is discovery. Well, again, I am repeating. You must discover your creativity. You must discover your qualities. Yes, and similarly, according to the demand in a market, in a demand around you, you must discover the concept. On this concept, I have to work. Next will concept development. You have to develop your concept. You have to develop your views, how to move it. Similarly, you have to integrate the resources, whatever the tools and techniques and lab testing method and the resources, money, similarly, whatever the material you have. Then after organizing it, you must activate it. That is called the actualization. And after actualization, whatever the products from, you must harvest it. Harvest means after production, marketing, getting benefits, what is the losses, what how we have to move, this all it comes. We will in detail we will see also. Next slide, please. So discovery, the stage in which the entrepreneurs generate ideas, recognize opportunities, and studies the market. This is discovery. Here, hobbies, skills, consumer needs, their consumer wants, conduct survey and questionnaires, study the demographics, how many persons living there, and for which person we have to work. If we are developing a robot, we can say a robot or a drone, then who is the we can say the where it will be applicable, who will be the purchaser of the drone, who will be the purchaser of our robots. Like this, we have to see the total survey and questionnaires ki what they requires, what is their what is the application or a benefit of such type of robots or drones, or whatever in other fields also. For civil engineering also, what is the use of, if any cement we have developed, then what is the use of that cement, who requires such type of cements. So in every field, I'm not talking about the electronics, telecom, or any fields. This for in food sector also, in animal husbandry also, in agriculture also. If we develop some type of agriculture method, so we must see the such type of questionnaire there, such type of demographics. Next, please. Next is concept development. If we have all such type of survey and research, then we have to make a business plan there. Business plans, that is the business idea, a detailed proposal with describing the business idea. Choose the location where we have to work. Sometimes your ideas may not be applicable to your 5 to 10 kilometers around. It may be applicable to 100 kilometers. So you have to see how to move it. And if it is applicable and it is beneficial, then you must go on. So choose the location for the business and physical location. And today, if you are seeing that most of the companies are moving here and there, there is so much mobilization of the companies, so much mobilization of the person who is living in Mumbai, he is serving in New Delhi, in Calcutta, or in Switzerland, and one who is in Calcutta or Switzerland, he is working in Mumbai, like that. So because of the benefits, because of the, we can say this demand of that location. Next is decide if the idea will lead a patent or a trademark. Similarly, if you make some products or you have some services, or if you have some whatever the knowledge you have, and if it should be patentable or not, because today there is so much copy, so much we can say the theft, who is we can say the copying your work, and if you are lazy and not aware about it, then it will be copied and patent, and we can say uh, uh, that is the trademark by the other persons and other company, and you doesn't have doesn't get any benefit from them, from your idea. If you see the Facebook idea is the idea of the friends, but it is now running by someone. So such type of we can say the question arises, such type of conditions, circumstances we faced if we doesn't use the patent, trademark, and a copyright. So whatever creativity, that's why the research papers or such type of ISSA international journals, we have to link with, we have to approach. We must have the approach to such type of journals, such type of making a research paper, so that your idea will be secure there. If you make such type of research paper, you have the creativity or idea, first make the research paper, then publish in a ISSN journal, in a good peer reviewed ISSN journal. Then there are different categories there. So if you publish the papers there, your idea will be secure. If you are not working at the first stage, only your idea and your research paper, and after 10 years, if you see, I have to work on that idea because it is, again, it is feasible according to the market or according to this demand. And if you work after 10 years, and if someone is working on that, and if he has make a copy of it, then you can blame that this is my idea and I have published before 10 years, and I am the first owner of this idea. So if second person get the patent or some type of we can say the authorization from that, then you can say that it is my first idea, it was published there. So such type of legal activities or legal law, whatever the legal law, after a successful business or every successful businessman facing such type of problem because of the some international affairs and WTO and whatever the global policy if we says, then you will be safe there. Yes, you have the such type of patent or a trademark according to your business plan. Next, please. Next slide.
Yes, sir. Step number
Resourcing. So resourcing is the stage of identifies and acquire the financial, human, capital resources need for the venture startup. All this. Basically, if you have prepared for about steps, then resourcing, you have to look out all the finance, human, capital resources. You should know the some social. We can say from the investors, from the potential investors, crowdfunding, the social investors, crowdfunding, applications for your loan, grants, financial assistance, all such type of resourcing you have to adopt it. Similarly, for hiring the employees, also you must have the plan that if I am hiring such employees on a salary basis or in a partnership basis, so all you must have such type of plan. Yes, I have to work accordingly. Next slide. Actualization. The stage in which the entrepreneur operates the business and utilizes the resources to achieve its goals or objectives. Whatever operation, whatever operation technology, operation methods you have adopted, like grand opening of the business, day-to-day operation of the business, this is actualization. What actually your actual we can say the tools and techniques and your steps you applied for such business operations. This is the day-to-day daily routine work of your business. Next. And not a business, it is for the job year also, because if you have the good day-to-day routine work in your job. It means that you are working for such job, and if you have that key, I have to get that. My vision was that key, it should be converted into such type of profit in terms of quality, in terms of quantity, in types of money, whatever the vision you have. And if you're working according to the mission in a job also, then it will be converted into, and if you get the success, then it will be converted into your business. So job and business, nowadays, there is only a thin line. There is only a, we can say, a bank. Yes, here is the job, here is the business. And after 5 years, this job and business will be mixed, and there is no difference between them. Next is harvesting. Now, the stage in which the one decides on ventures, future goal, developers, or debates, means if you are in a good in your business, in good your creativity, in good your innovations. So whether we have to continue or not, and if you are in some losses, so whether I have to continue or not, some demise or whatever we can say challenges there. So harvesting is that stage. So you have to consider now again the future plans for the business, expansion to the additional location, or company to change the structure. Means it requires some structure change. It requires some yes, I am success to this location. Then I have success to the Pune. Then I have to jump to the Mumbai, and I have to jump to the Calcutta. I have to jump to the Indore. Similarly, if I have success in India, I have to jump to the Nepal, to the Switzerland, to UK, US, all these things. Similarly, what is the need of the current scenario? What is the need of the current customers? What is the need? What is if you see in last 15 years, there is a change in the mobile communication techniques. Before 15 years, it was the phone of the landline phone. Then it comes to the 2G mobile, then 3G, then 4G, and now today we all on the this Microsoft Team app, and I am giving deliver a lecture on the mobile and our system and all this hi-fi technology, and you are getting this knowledge from us. So these are the development. Before 15 years, nobody imagined that this was the scenario. And similarly, after 5 years, we are looking to the that there will be a chip in your mindset, and that chip will restore, and according to the thinking, you will call to the person and you will get the knowledge. It is the 7G technology, and what 7G technology will give us, it is very we can say remarkable, and it may be horrible, the both condition, and it requires so much policy making, so much use of such type of products, because today we are using the products in a positive manner, but some of the hackers and some of the, we can say, the destroyer, they are taking such type of the technology for the negativity also. So we have to think about it. But if we use such type of policies, such type of techniques for our development, then definitely we will get a good benefits from our technology, good benefits from our development and resources. Next slide, please. So starting a business, if we have all such type of preliminary examination and all such type of if we have all such type of preparation, then starting a business requires the understand the procedure and requirement of starting a business. Next. So develop a business plan, acquire finance, meet legal requirements. Meet legal requirements means you have all the, we can say, the idea there. You have all resources. Now, what is the legal requirement? That legal requirement should be according to the locality. In Pune, there are some rules of the local administration. In Mumbai, there are also some rules of the local administration. In Calcutta, also in Indore, in we can say different states, there are different rules. And according to the rules, you have to apply for such type of certification, and you must follow all the legal requirements according to that, and then you start your day-to-day procedure for your business and for your job. Next. develop a business plan, how the this business plans can be implemented. So first, it will be present. Why we use business plan? Because it require we have to present to the potential investors and lenders, and this business plans is uh, about 30 plus pages. Now we see what is the content of that business plan. Next, please. So business plan is the proposal we have. The first, it should have the executive summary. Next, please. Means a brief of 1 or 2 pages. Ki, yes, this is my business. This is my thought. This is my idea, and I have to work like that. Next, this is my service. This is my product. It should be how I have to offer to the customers, and similarly the customers and the whatever the locality there, that management team, the qualification of their management team, qualification of yours, qualification of any partners. Next, please. Next will be the industry market analysis. Your analysis, the customers, the competition, who is the competitor there, and what type of industry are working, whether whatever the products or research or innovations you have, if anyone working on there or not. Demographic condition, we have discussed geographical condition, economic data, we have discussed operational plans, includes all process that is producing or delivering the products or service to the customer, how you will operate it. If you want some pizza delivery system, or if you are manufacturing or production of pizza, then how the pizza will be delivered to the remote location by drone or by some bike system or by some delivery person. What will be the cost of the delivery person, and similarly how it will be reached to the other locations. Such type of whatever based technology. Similarly, if you see the mobile phones, whether the mobile phones in between the process, it may be replaced by someone, and someone put the stone in your box, then how it will be delivered. So such type of all the, we can say the we can say plus minus we have to see. Similarly, next will be the organizational plan, management philosophy of the business, your key management personnel, key employment policies. You must know all this if you expand your business, if you have the business above startup level. Next, please. Similarly, your marketing plans also, promotional plan, uh, some discount, similarly promotional activities and gifts to the customers, marketing budgets, gift to the traders, gift to the your we can say the whatever the chain you have. So you must know the supply chain management, how we have to logistic. You must know integrated material management. You must know for a business above the startup level. So all you must have all such type of qualities. Growth plan you must have ki after ki yes, now I am in a positive manner the 2 3 years if I run a business, if I run and if you are getting a profit there, then you must be innovative. If you see there is always all who are viewing this lecture, they know that Lux soap has the innovations all time. From 20 years we are seeing, or below above after before 50 years we are seeing that the Lux Sabon is converted into different forms, and now also today it is the charming soap. Everybody like this. Why? Because changes their future plans, their whatever plans they have, they change every plans according to the customer, according to taste of the customer, and they are getting a business there. In other, see, if you are seeing the mobile phones, if you are seeing the cars, every car is now becoming a good model. There are different innovations, different facilities in the car, different innovation in the mobile phone, different apps are coming, different we can say the fast foods are coming according to the taste of the customers. So such type of process we must know. Yes, and every technological person, if someone says ki no, I have no interest in the business, I want the job as a technical person, so you must always be aware of that ki, today if you develop something, it means it will survive only 6 months. and after 6 months you have again developed a change there. You have again developed a version, a good updated version for any any work if you are doing in your job, or any work you are doing in your business, or any work you are doing in your technical field. So this all growth plan, financial statements, that is forecast of the future financial health of the business. Yes, it was the it will be the it was the profit, it will be the profit, and it is the profit, it was the loss, it is the present loss, and this law and it will be the loss, it will be the some type of, we can say, the device we have to face it. And for this you must always state that if you are risk taker, it means the risk taking means you are going to happiness in your mind. If you are not a risk taker, it means you are depressing yourself. Yes, oh, what happened, I don't know, I should not get the risk. It means you are converting yourself into the soft zone, and you will be depressed always. Oh, what will happen, what will happen, every time you will say. And if you are risk taker, let's see whatever we see. If everything will be comfortable to you, and if you are taking the risk, it means you are happier person. Next, please. Finance the business. Identify the potential investor. The investors means the persons who are giving, who the persons who are giving the we can say the resources. It may be family, or it may be friends, it may be other business person, it may be employees. That is employees by crowdfunding. Some of the companies today, we are most of the companies are today working that you come in our company, you will get the employee salary also, and you will get the benefit also, just like an entrepreneur, just like a partner of the company. So most of the companies are now working on such type of systems. They are giving such type of facility, because after getting a good education, every person wants a name, fame, and prestige and status. And this only comes only by if you have the qualities. If you doesn't have the qualities, if I give you a 1,000 crore turnover company, and if you doesn't have the quality, then the 1,000 crore company will be laid down by 1 year, and you will get the you will come into the 0 crore company. So what is the meaning of your managing director? What is the meaning of your chairmanship? What is the meaning of your director? What is the meaning of your CEO of a company? So such type of, similarly for a job also. So you must have such type of capabilities. Your business should be run stable or in a positive manner, so that you will survive in a market. So the such type of offer is also for the employees, and contact financial agencies for loan, grants, financial assistance, small business administration, banks, credit unions are there, insurance companies are there to help you. Next slide, please. And you must go through the legal environment. Because I have also discussed that whatever the legal requirements, license, Gomasta, or company, a private company, we can say the agreements, partnership firms, private limited companies, or it is the NGO, or it is a public service company. There are so many options for that. How you have to work, self group also there. If you are the 50 persons in a group, and you can work in a self group also, 50, 100, whatever, according to the locality. Then as a self group also, there are so many facilities for the self group, for the person. Self group are getting so much facilities in terms of loans, in terms of interest. And similarly, every institutions must have the self group for that, and they can get the good incentives there. So and because institution has the students, institution has the faculties, institution has the management, so they must form a self group, and they must produce a small things from their institutions, the production of some whatever they have the capability, so they will get the benefits. And today the governments and the private multinational companies are very much encourage such type of system, because to develop such type of help groups, and to help such type of self group. Because if you see for a startup, for every local company, what I have said that if someone is a successful person, they want to grow their business in a different location. But if I have a successful business, where if I want to grow my business in we can say Switzerland, but I am not get, but I doesn't have the knowledge of the Switzerland or what is the locality, what is the demographic situation there. And if someone is there in Switzerland who has all such planning, this product may be successful if I launched there, but he doesn't have such type of approach there, and I have such that product, and if I want to launch in that Switzerland, then I have to make a plan, all this business plan, and for a fund for it. And I must go for Switzerland means 100 crore rupees must be in my pocket. But if someone is Switzerland, and if everything he has the knowledge or she has the knowledge, and he present in front of me, and he only wants to about 5 crore to run their product, which is adaptable and matching with our product. So it will be better for me to give the 5 crore rupees to them instead of investing the 100 crore rupees, and 95 crore rupees I will save. So such type of startup funds is beneficial for all the startups and all the students, and similarly who are generating a good idea for the earning of the money. So that's why today the startup fund and all such type of wording, or all such type of entrepreneurship skills, and all such type of we can say the the we can say the teaching methodologies are coming. Every institution must have the entrepreneur cell and all these things, because uh, the one company can't cover the whole world, and if one company is getting success, means they have to grow their business in another part, and in research and development is all types of whatever I have in whatever lecture you have listen here. They must go through all process and invest a money for that. But if someone has such type of knowledge, if they have such type of business plan, only they want such money, then a good company will give, is always ready to deliver such type of amounts. And if you want 5 crores, they will easily and happily give you the 5 crores, because they are saving 95 crores in their pocket. That's why enterprise skills require. That's why R&D skills require. That requires the innovative skill. That requires your startup skill. So you must follow all the requirements after starting your business, after a good business plan, the license, the Gumasta, whatever I have suggested, employment law, sales law, tenancy law, zoning law, their whatever their residential, industrial, recreational, commercial activities, whatever the business you have. So according to that, if you want to open a restaurant, or if you want a hi-fi restaurant with all luxuries and all technology there, all type of automations there, then what is such type of recreational activities require, what type of laws there, you must know all this. Taxes, you must pay the tax, whatever the GST or the, we can say, the export import taxes, because these taxes, if you pay the taxes, it will create your credit limit. And if whatever the credit limit you have, if you present in front of the good companies or a big company, they will easily believe on you, and they will give you the startup funds for your business. So similarly, again I am going to your protecting your business. Your business may be protected by trademarks, means whatever the business you have, the logo you have, whatever. If there is a good new innovations there, you must go for the patents, by the process, by the products also. And similarly, uh, please, next slide, please. That is the protection of your business. That is the trademark, logo, and patents. That is the protection, the products and process from the theft. If someone theft your innovations, some attempt your idea, then it should be we can say the secure. And copyrights means if you are some literacy and musical system, in dramatic, in artistic work, in any work you have, then you must go for the copyright. So your idea must be covered by must be secure by the copyright. So this is the whole what I want to say. Next slide, please. So we always become a successful person. So you can only be success by such type of capabilities. And I will share some pictures by my mobile, and I will give you the some uh, hint how we can approach for the what are the what are the opportunities available according to our around us.